Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to convert Word document to PDF. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to convert any Word file to PDF, then I will show you a simple method to do this. The first method is you just need to open your Word file and press Ctrl P. Here you will find your printer option. In this you will find Microsoft Print to PDF. You can see Microsoft XPS document writer. Like this you will find Microsoft Print to PDF. You just need to select that option and click on OK. And you have to select the location where you want to save and click on save. Suppose if you are not seeing like this Microsoft Print to PDF, then you have to download one software which is called Qt PDF Writer. You can see Qt PDF. You just go to this Qt PDF website and download this free version of this software. You can see here it is total of 3.16 MB. Just click on download and install this software. After installing this software, when you press Ctrl P, here you will find Qt PDF Writer. You will just need to select that option, then click on OK and select the location where you want to save and click on save. That's it guys. You can convert Word document to PDF. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.